Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that girl Raisa y hoy vamos a hacernos un makeup look because I'm just in a mood. Like my playlist has been like dominated by Bad Bunny, okay? En mi mente, a Bad Bunny le gusta las mujeres que son ella, que son confident, que son real, que son down to earth. Jalen sus maquillajes, chicas, and just like put some music on and just ponte en el mood, mami, ponte en el mood. I stand in the club, what you have in the bank? This is the new religion, bang, and Latino gang. So I have my eyebrows already done. As y'all can see, I use Spike Pencil by MAC. This light is a little dark, not gonna lie. I also clean my brows with MAC Studio Finish Concealer. What I did on my eyebrows, están un poquito, tú sabes, they're a little thick, they're a little aggressive, they're a little there, they're a little like, estamos aquí in your face, you know? Y esto es bien calientito, like en tiempo de frío. Yo voy a salir con esta mierda ahí cubriéndome la orejita para que no se me congelen. Anyway, Jaclyn Hill palette times Morphe. Like this is the only Morphe palette that I owned. And I really bought it because of Jaclyn Hill behind it. I'm not gonna lie. I have her highlighter from Becca Cosmetics, Champagne Pop. I am not gonna buy, no voy a comprar el Volt, lo último que salió. I'm not buying that shit. You know why? Because esta paleta has an array of all kinds of colors. And like I have other eyeshadow palettes, so the Volt almost seems like como que cogí un cantito de aquí, hice otra paleta acá, hice otra paleta acá, and I split it and I'm trying to get your money. So, la clara, I'm not buying the Volt.
Chica, usé el mismo concealer como eye primer.
And with just a little puff, I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer because I don't like a sticky base for my eyeshadows, even though the pigment will grasp more and show up more on the lid. Yo no sé qué look me voy a hacer hoy, so vamos con el flow, vamos con el mood. No puedo poner la música de Bad Bunny en el video, but eso es lo que estoy escuchando aquí in real time. I'm gonna go ahead and start my crease with this one and this one, all right? So this is kind of what is looking like the crease as usual. I take my crease like, yo cojo el color del crease like por todos lados y ve que solamente me dejo prácticamente el arco de la ceja, pero el frente de la ceja me llevo ese color, si me estoy explicando bien. So usually cuando yo me hago makeup y quiero sentirme, I like pink, I like pink. I like feeling like a Barbie, looking like a Barbie, whatever. I'm gonna take this color now and mix it in the crease as well. I had never used that color. It's so pretty. Oh my god. It's real pretty, yo. It's not too light and it's not too dark. Damn, that color been sitting there, yo. I'm gonna take this one, que es como un vinito. Yeah. Y voy a cambiarla a una brocha más pequeña. This is MAC 221. Y I'm just gonna apply that right in like the outer corner, just to deepen it a little bit. So I'm taking this color right here. Y mantengo la brocha bajita. I'm not going really free-handed like I did with my bigger blending brush and my crease colors. So mantengo la brocha bajita. I'm trying to figure out which color to go over the lid, and like y'all already know it's gonna be this pink right here. So that is gonna be this pink. I blend it with your finger and like tapping motions. It'll come out real pretty. Les voy a hacer una confesión. Para usualmente smoke out debajo de los ojos, it's always been a struggle. Me encanta el look, but it's always been a struggle for me because este tipo de brocha, like, como que me saco el ojo, me entra la sombra al ojo y como que I can't do it. Y sí he comprado diferentes tipos de brocha to kind of try and master my lower lash line. Pero ¿sabes qué? I'm gonna take it back old school and yo voy a hacer como me salga a mí. So I'm gonna try the sponge applicators. Esto es bien, you know. Si tú te haces maquillaje desde nena, en algún momento tú tintaste alguna sombra con un aplicador así. And now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face with the KKW powder contour palette, and I'm gonna use her brush, which is I never used it, so I want to try it because it is small and it does seem like convenient for traveling, you know. I'm probably gonna do the warmer one and then flip my brush with the edge, que es lo más finito de la brocha, and take the contour and kind of really try to deepen it. So, como siempre, me gusta coger una brocha grande, sin polvo primero, y difuminar todo. Don't try to disrupt your contour going crazy over it, but you know, like, where your contour and your highlight meets, los perímetros. Like, you want to go ahead and make sure you blend in between. And this kind of helps, you know, te ayuda a cortar sin tener que cortar con baking. Este fue el color que me apliqué sobre el párpado. Voy a coger el rosa de al lado. It looks like that. So cute. Voy a profundizar un chispitito de que ahí y ahí una cosita de nada. I'm not even gonna drag it that much underneath my lower lash line, but I'm gonna go ahead and which color should I take? This is a more purpley. This is a brown, but I think I'm just gonna dip really lightly into the black, like. Alright, so your eyes should be looking something like this. Now you can keep it like this, pop some mascara, some lashes. Puedes ponerte un wing eyeliner. I think I want to put like a little bit of glitter, like some pink glitter to make it more pinky. Here I have two glitters, one from Inglot and then one from MAC. Voy a mezclarlo los dos, un chispito. Voy a usar un glitter eyeliner. This is just silver. It's very sparse, so it's not gonna really like, no va a notarse mucho el plateado, but like el líquido, esto me va a funcionar de peguita. Time to brighten underneath the eye. And I'm gonna use my KKW brightening powder number 2. I really like this brightening powder. I've been using it every time I do my makeup and it kind of slays. This powder is really amazing and like not many people are talking about it. But it's like, mira eso. For blush, I'm gonna do something pinky as well, and then my lips are probably gonna be pink too. I'm gonna take this powder. Well, these are two blushes from MAC. This is from the holiday collection, one of the past holiday collections, and this is the Extreme Dimension blush in Cheeky Beats. This is a little like this is more shimmery and it's a little like muy rosita. Este es más baby pink. So, ¿qué tú crees que va a pasar? Lo vamos a mezclar. We're gonna go ahead and highlight. And this is an Extreme Dimension Skin Finish highlight from MAC as well. And this is Skin Frost. It looks white as hell, pero es rosita. Can you guys see that little pink reflection? Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, so let's kind of, like I said, always blend everything together. And usually, like, this area is what I really concern for it to look blended. You know what I mean? Like, much better. I'm gonna apply some mascara and then I'll be right back for the lip combo. For my lips, I'm gonna use MAC Strip Down. Then I'm gonna use Snob. This is like my first lipstick ever from MAC and I love this color. Snob, yeah, I can see that. Tengo que comprarme uno nuevo. And then I'm gonna use this pink glitter lip gloss from MAC as well. Este es de Viva Glam Miley Cyrus. ¿Por qué voy a usar este rosita más fuerte si me voy a poner un lipstick clarito? Because this is like a really milky kind of pinky shade and it can kind of look a little cray-cray sometimes. So with a darker pink over top, you kind of tone it down. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's all pink, not too pink because like otras veces yo puedo hacer like pink, like fuchsia pink. What do you guys think? Okay, so follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and my YouTube is That Girl Riza. Please subscribe, comment down below. I would love to start interacting with my people who are watching and who are subscribing and following, of course. Everybody in general. Like if you do any of my makeup looks, being this one or any of my previous looks or future looks that I might be posting, you can find me on Instagram, That Girl Riza, all together, Riza, R-A-I-Z-A, Riza. I would like, if you recreate this look, show me, like, tírame Snapchat. Hit me up through Snapchat if you guys have any questions about makeup, about beauty stuff. If you post any kind of looks, tag me. And also I would like to create a hashtag. It's gonna be that hashtag That Girl Makeup. So si recreas cualquiera de mis looks o encuentras un look que tú quisieras que yo intente recreate, just tag me, and when you post, put hashtag That Girl Riza, That Girl Makeup, okay? Nos veo en la próxima, mi gente. I came back to just say, I want to thank one of my best friends, that the other day I was talking with her, and when we were talking, she was the one who came up with the idea doing a makeup look related to Bad Bunny music, and it's just because of that, porque cuando tú te arreglas, you put different kind of music, and sometimes I know there's like makeup looks about Beyonce and Rihanna where you kind of like do the makeup look she has on, but what about the music that gets you in a mood to do your makeup? So shout out to Bad Bunny, sigue para arriba y sigue representando a Puerto Rico.